Hi. Today through this video, I'll be telling you what Math Gym is and how is it important for a child and how a parent can access it through home. So Math Gym helps enhance students' learning outcomes. It acts as a supplement to regular QMath classes. So you don't have to teach this Math Gym in QMath classes. It is an additional practice given to the student and can be accessed from the comfort of students' own home. It helps children get better at mental calculation by giving them just 10 minutes to solve as many arithmetic questions as possible. So, the philosophy behind Math Gym is very simple. Regular mathematical activity leads to better learning outcomes. While Math Gym is not a mandatory part of QMath curriculum in the classes, but it is highly recommended that students engage with this exercise on a regular basis. Now, what Math Gym is? Math Gym is a 10 minutes of exercise with questions on arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, how parents can access this Math Gym from their home? So, they just have to access it through student.qmath.com on any web browser via tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So, remember that they cannot access it through their mobile phones. It is only accessible through laptops and tablets and desktop. So what they have to do, just log in using this student.qmath.com, and this window will appear. This window will appear. Q Student Plus login. So this is a window from where they can log in to their where they can log in and can access Math Gym. They have to Parent has to enter this login code, and this is a 6-digit code. Now from where they can see this code, it is available on QParent. Ask them to install QParent app and then log in using their registered mobile number. And there, the on the front screen of QParent, one tab is there, Me, and then click on that Me tab. It will open the profile of the student, and there the Q Student Plus code is available, and that code has to be entered here. And you can also give that code to parents in from your QTeacher app. It is also available in QTeacher app. So go to QTeacher, open My Class, click on student's name, view profile, and you can see Q Student Plus code there. So once you'll enter this 6-digit login code, this is the screen which will appear: name of the student, grade of the student, and the questions which are available for a student for that day. So just remember that it has to be done only once in a day. So only one exercise is available at a time. So for this student, arithmetic operations are available. Always arithmetic operations are available, but it can be addition, it can be subtraction, multiplication, and division based upon the result of the student in the class. So as a teacher, you should know one thing, that these are calibrated exercises. As in, you have to mark the sheets regularly, you have to give tab to the student regularly, and based upon that, these skills are made for a student. Okay, so and the direct benefit is that child will be able to solve arithmetic problems quickly and accurately without the use of pen and paper. And additionally, he'll not hesitate from answering arithmetic questions and rely on calculators for simple computations, which will in turn boost his her confidence, right? And if a child is not able to spare 10 minutes a day, we would encourage him to aim at least for 5 days a week and use weekends as rest days. So remember that practice makes perfect. So this Math Gym these Math Gym exercises are only made to make him perfect in his arithmetic calculation. So it is very important to access Math Gym on daily basis. The concept covered and the difficulty level of the questions here in the Math Gym is intelligently calibrated based on the student's grade and their historical progress. So it is very important for you to um, maintain sheet of the record of the sheets which child has done in the class. Also, you have to make sure that child does Q Student regularly in the class. So based upon the performance in his class, these exercises are intelligently calibrated. And this calibration allows the student to feel challenged without being overwhelmed, right? So once a parent will open this math gym, login using the login code, and it is logged in, then you will be able to see one math exercise here, one arithmetic operation exercise here, 80 questions in 10 minutes. And once we'll click on start activity, wait a second, let me, okay, once we'll click on the start activity, here the total record of his past performance is also here in the math gym. Like, this student did math gym 4 days ago, which is not recommended, as in it should be done every day. So here also a parent can see the last records, on which date it was done, and what was the score out of 80, and what is the best score as of now. And once we'll click on start, the this exercise will start. Here the timer will appear, and here the questions will start coming. So as of now, I'm not doing exercise for this child. So that's how a math gym can be accessed. It's a very simple thing. Just log in from any web browser, from any device, laptop, tablet, desktop, and log in using 6-digit code, and you will be able to see one exercise, and the child will be doing this exercise from home. Now, very important thing, in beginning a student might not be able to do all the questions correctly. He might be able to do just 20 to 30 questions out of 80, but tell parents that it is okay to do such number of questions in beginning, because it is that's why we have called it gym. It will gradually improve these calculations, and the speed and accuracy will gradually improve. That's why it is very important to do it on a daily basis, right? um, so I think this is clear to you. And very important thing, Math is available only for grade third till eighth. It is not available for KG first and second grade kids. For KG first and second grade kids, we make them practice here only in the class itself through Q student, right? So it is only available for third to eighth grade. And also, how parents will monitor child's progress through this math gym. We will email the parents a weekly report with the details of child's attendance and a trend chart of his or her scores through week in each concept. So um, it so tell parent that whatever child does in one day and the subsequent days, the report will be made based upon his performance in those 6 days throughout the week. So encourage child to do it on daily basis, and after a week a report will be sent to the parent, including all the activities and the progress of the child. And also, Math Gym is not a physical kit. Uh, it is only available online through student.qmath.com. There is no hard copy of it, right? So tell parents that it. So make sure that the child has access to a device using which they can work out their brain via Math Gym.